welcome back to the West Seattle Bowl Proshop YouTube channel. I'm Echo, and today we're gonna take a look at the deep ocean vibe. Full disclosure, I probably 85–90% of the time I will throw a bowling ball and it's fresh out of the box. So you're seeing what I would see if you had a brand new ball drilled. This is not the case for this ball. I threw this ball in league a couple nights ago. So let's see what it looks like. One of the things you'll probably notice is that we talk about a lot of times the covers breaking in as they get some oil in them. This cover is already broken in and ready to go. So here we go. That came off my hand real fast. I'm shocked that that ball made it to the pockets. So the Deep Ocean Vibe has the Vibe core. It also has HK22 CT Reactive Plus cover stock. That is a mouthful. So I threw that ball much better off my hand, a lot better, but pretty much the same like path or line on the lane as the gross ball that I threw before. That's nasty. So I threw that ball more where I thought it should be thrown, and got punished for it. Although I don't like leaving a 7-pin, at least I know I'm in the right neighborhood. Some days I'm throwing the ball and I'm in Soto instead of in West Seattle. Well thrown. And they all go down. Okay, I'm gonna move around a little bit. That being said, I anticipate that this is gonna be one of those balls that is kind of a one-note ball, meaning that like I can throw it in league. It's gonna be great for 3 games as a lefty where I just have to move a little bit. But I don't see this being a super versatile ball. But let's find out. I'm gonna try and put this ball up 5. Or 3. Opposite side of the head pin, but nobody's complaining about that. Or maybe we're complaining, but we're not giving it back. Let me move maybe just a little bit with my feet and see if I can get my side of the head pin. Right up 5. Right on the nose, but not a split. All right, one more tiny movement with my feet. Ooh, a little bit late there. We'll throw one more and see if we can actually hit the pocket. My pocket specifically. Oh, nope. I don't think I'm gonna get to my pocket from there. We're just gonna say that it is what it is. Let's move right. Again, I don't think this is gonna be that ball, but we'll see. All right, I tugged that a little bit. Let's try and see if we can hit our mark down lane. There's a novel idea. Ooh, I didn't hate that. That was really nice, actually. Again, not what I would have thought. I'm gonna try moving a little bit more right, just because. I don't even know what to say to that. In a good way. For those of you that are interested, this ball is drilled at 50 by 4 by 45. I'm not gonna lie, that shot turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I realized halfway through my second step that I was targeting the arrows instead of the front of the lane, which kind of explains what happened down lane. Better. And a better result. I'm gonna go back to where I started. That was ugly, but it helped. Oh. Dirty. That was better. All right, we're gonna call that the grand finale. The Deep Ocean Vibe does not disappoint. If you're a fan of the Vibe line, I think that this is going to be something that would be a good addition to your bag. If you're just a Vibe fan, I know that I have a teammate that has the last 5 or 6 releases of the Vibe. It's a polished solid. If any of you watch my videos, you know that I don't always like a ball that's polished, that oftentimes I'll knock the polish off. This ball is brilliant out of the box just the way it came. It will absolutely stay in my bag. If you are looking for something that is going to be a gem during league, I highly recommend it.